How to fix messages not trending on Telegram in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store and search here Telegram. Now check your Telegram have any update, then update your Telegram. If your Telegram have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your Telegram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, scroll down and click on Telegram. Now here you can offload your Telegram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.